Jared with IPD here today to talk to you about our short ram intake for 850-70 series cars. This is going to cover 1994 through about 2000 with additionally some later model C70s. So today we're going to be talking about the features as well as opening the box, showing you what you get when you get your package here. The factory intake design on these Volvos is actually quite good, and we've seen a lot of aftermarket intake setups on these cars that we really haven't been super happy with. Most of the time they just consist of a cone filter like this mounted up to your factory mass airflow sensor with no sort of heat shield or protection against the engine heat around it. As we all know, hotter air means less power, so keeping this thing isolated from the rest of the engine bay is quite important. That's why you get this metal heat shield around your filter, as well as this little seal as well to seal up against the hood blanket. So, one other thing that you'll notice as well with this kit is that this filter is a dry filter. It's not like any sort of oil filter aftermarket stuff that you see a lot of times on the market. This is going to be just like our drop-in panel filters that we see for these cars. This means that you can reuse this filter. You don't have to throw it out in 10,000 miles like a factory paper filter. You'll just be able to blow it out with compressed air, or with this thing, if it gets really dirty, you can clean it out with soap and water, set it out to dry, reinstall it in the car later, you're good to go. So this is technically a lifetime filter for the car, so saves you money in the long run as well as giving you better intake flow out of the car. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-444-6473.